United Nations General Assembly in a meeting on Tuesday adopted a Pakistan-sponsored resolution to declare March 15 as International Day to Combat Islamophobia. The resolution was introduced by Pakistan on behalf of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. India expressed its concern over the adoption of a religious-specific resolution while excluding the phobia against other religions. The resolution was adopted by consensus with 57 members of OIC and 8 other countries including China and Russia voting in its favor. India's representative to UN, T.S. Tirumurthy, expressed India's concern and position on the adoption of such a resolution and remarked that it ignores the instances of discrimination, intolerance, and violence against members of many religious communities in different parts of the world. He remarked that phobias concerning religions are not restricted to Abrahamic religions alone, and all acts motivated by anti-Semitism, Christianophobia, or Islamophobia should be condemned. He asked the UN to acknowledge the prevalence of religiophobia rather than single out just one. Tirumurthy remarked, and I quote, "It is in this context that we are concerned about elevating the phobia against one religion to the level of an international day to the exclusion of all the others. Celebration of a religion is one thing, but to commemorate the combating of hatred against one religion is quite another." Maintaining its pluralistic stance, Indian representatives cited instances of increase in attacks on religious places of worship like gurudwaras, monasteries, temples, etc., or in spreading of hatred and disinformation against non-Abrahamic religions in many countries. He also cited the destruction of Banyan Buddhas in Afghanistan to prove his stand on the issue. He urged UN to remain a religion-neutral international body and remarked that the adoption of such a resolution could set a precedent which will divide the UN into religious camps.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.